Hello, today I will show you how to set up a timer in SONY ZV-1 II. To start, open this icon. It's self timer. Here you can change it to off or pick your time by clicking on your start delay and going up or down, or change it to only once, or repeat. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.